four-wheel mobility scooter is a compact and heavy-duty device designed to provide safe and stable mobility assistance. With its easy maneuverability over smooth indoor and outdoor surfaces such as concrete pavement, tile, and carpeting, this scooter is a reliable option for those in need of assistance. The scooter features a lightly padded seat and backrest with flip-back armrests, 8 flat-free tires, and a front-mounted storage basket for carrying daily necessities. With a top speed of 3.7 miles per hour and a driving range of up to 12.4 miles per charge, this scooter is both efficient and practical. Additionally, the scooter quickly disassembles into 4 pieces for easy transportation in an average-sized vehicle. With intuitive controls and a maximum weight capacity of 265 pounds, the four-wheel mobility scooter is a versatile and convenient option for those seeking safe and reliable mobility assistance.